and welcome to Story Stop with Reading Rena. Today I have a really fun finger play for you called Two Little Dickie Birds. 1, 2. Two little Dickie Birds. Can you get out yours? Perfect. My Dickie Birds' names are Jack and Jill. Are you ready? Two little Dickie Birds sitting on a hill, one named Jack, the other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. And you know what the best part of this finger play is? We can sing it with different names for our Dickie Birds as long as they rhyme with where they're sitting, like this. Two little Dickie Birds sitting on a cloud, one named Soft, the other named Loud. Fly away loud. Come back soft. Come back loud. Two little Dickie Birds sitting in a row. One named Fast, the other named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. Two little Dickie Birds sitting in a car, one named Near, the other named Far. Fly away near, fly away far. Come back near, come back far. Two little Dickie Birds sitting at a port, one named Long, the other named Short. Fly away long, fly away short. Come back long, come back short. Two little Dickie Birds sitting in a tree, one named You, the other named Me. Fly away you, fly away me. Come back you, come back me.